Alright, hold on, I can't. I feel awkward. Can you hold this? Alright, just like hide it. What's up, guys? It's your boy Michael, and I'm here with
ASAP Goku. Tell them what you're gonna do. You already know what it is.
Why does everyone have an outro? Alright, so today we have a fun challenge for y'all. I bought 2 6-foot balloons.
Oh, boy.
And we're gonna put our bodies in it. Straightforward, super simple. Y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail. That's what we're gonna do. I've been watching a lot of like these videos on YouTube, and I thought it would be really fun. And I forgot to tell Derek. So the thing about these, I'm wearing these like sports leggings because other people have done this. It apparently like snags onto your leg hairs. And I forgot to tell him before the video to buy them.
I'm gonna be okay. I'll be fine.
He's a man.
I am. Okay.
So I don't know. So this video. Okay. So what we're gonna do? You're gonna help me first put it on, and then once I have like around my waist,
help you.
I'll help you.
Okay.
And then we're gonna make like we're gonna dance and like do random stuff with it. So I bought a air dryer, a blow.
You could.
No, it's not a blow dryer. It's a leaf blower.
A blow dryer. I heard.
It's a leaf blower.
You see it. You see it.
She can zoom in.
I didn't know she was.
Our camera won't know if not zooms in.
Wait, let me get a knife to open that.
No, I can't open it.
You got it?
Because I'm a man. Strong? So strong.
Do it.
Now you can't return this. Alright. So this blow dryer was like $25, you know. The balloons itself are $35 each.
And I didn't pay for anything.
$35 balloon. Alright, wait, hold on.
Where's the plug, bro?
Give me more.
This doesn't feel like it's a 6-foot. Oh my god.
Okay, pause. No, where's the actual...
Wait, so...
Hold on, where's the There's a cord that comes with it. Does this come out?
No, that's... You plug in the extension cord here, and you plug that cord to the wall.
Are you lying?
I'm not you, I'm not lying to you, man. I'm not lying.
Why do you keep cursing?
I don't know. I'm sorry. You know what?
Alright, update guys. So I need a extension cord. So we're gonna go on an adventure. Let's go. Professional. Look at that. I'm Asian, guys. Hop in.
Mike, do you want to listen to some... Oh, yeah, seatbelt. 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 Let's listen to some non-copyrighted healthy music by ASAP Goku.
Oh, I got you.
The one and only.
This is the one of a kind.
Yeah! Yeah!
My boy produced this.
Oh!
This is his page, ASAP Goku. I'm gonna put. Show me what you got.
Sure.
Or wave.
Nah, show me what you got.
Some freestyle.
Spit some bars, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, listen. My name is just Michael. Yeah, the girls go psycho. I got a little taco. What? My name is Little Michael. Follow me on SoundCloud.
Hey.
Cause that's what I do.
What he do?
I go to the bathroom. I take a number 2.
Number 2.
What? I take a number 2 from McDonald's.
Yeah.
It's a Big Mac, no risotto.
No, what?
Risotto.
Risotto. Yeah.
McDonald's don't have risotto. Hold on.
I don't know what that is.
What?
I don't even know what that means.
Listen. Okay. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am bilingual. I know English, Spanish. It's a Goku on the beat.
On the beat, man.
On the beat.
On the 1s and 2s.
Okay.
Listen.
What?
Going to Home Depot, getting a extension cord. Oh my God, you know I'm the dude, and you know I'm really bored because I watch Michael's YouTube videos.
You broke it. Whoa. What in the world?
We at Home Depot. Oh no, it said Home Depot. Now we at Home Depot. Oh wow, I didn't even know it said the Home Depot.
The homie.
Wait, what the frick? I thought it was only Home Depot. I didn't know it was the Home Depot. We're just in and out of here, you know. We just gotta get an extension cord to continue this viralness. The floors at Home Depot, when I had Heelys, y'all, I legit had the 2 on my shoe on each side, four wheels
So
on
that's
each.
not Heelys then.
No, it was Heelys.
Because it's supposed to be on your heel.
It was.
Okay,
it
no,
was
no,
2
no,
on my
no,
heel.
no,
It wasn't
no,
the front.
no,
It wasn't the front
no,
back.
yeah,
Bro, these floor. Look how smooth this floor is. It was like an amusement park for me. Here we are. All right. I think it's over here. I don't know where it is actually. I never go here. Are you sure it's here?
Nigga, what?
Power tools? Wait. An extension cord isn't a power tool. Excuse me.
I don't care.
Is there an extension cord thing right here?
Extension cord?
Yeah, like the one that's just like one, like it's not like multiple, it's just like one.
Try electrical 46.
46, where would that be?
That way, make a right all the way down, take a left.
Alright, thank you. Yeah, cause you know why? We're on a schedule.
We're on a budget?
We're on a budget and a schedule. Dude, I can't wait, y'all. For real, I can't wait to have my own house, cause like I'm gonna be like decorating the crap out of it. Like it's gonna be nice. Whoa, look at the LED lights, guys. What is this? Oh, it's growing lights. Oh, it's to grow your.
So you can grow your pot.
It's to grow your sunflowers. Okay, this is what I'm talking about here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so it can't be like this. It's too big for a thingy. Boom.
You gotta make sure
Found
it fits. You gotta make sure it fits.
Yes, it fits. It's always gonna fit. Found the extension cord. Now we're gonna pay. And now we're gonna go back to the house. Bah!
I said isn't. I was trying to say.
Did we just buy the wrong one?
100%.
What the f is this? Why is it? This isn't even a real plug. What? Dude,
R.I.P.
no, look at this.
R.I.P.
Why is this slanted? What is this? What the hell?
R.I.P. my bro.
No, this. What is this?
Mike.
This is not even a plug.
It was something else.
Say,
No.
just, say if we could go just exchange.
What the? Oh! Going back to Walmart. Wait, nope. Going back to Home Depot.
Just reshoot that. That's all we'll do.
All right, so we're back at Walmart, or I keep saying Walmart. So we're back at Home Depot. We got a return thing. Yeah, I just want to ask real quick. Excuse me. So I just bought this, and I don't have the receipt. I legit was like here like 5 minutes ago.
You just walked in here.
And this extension cord is the wrong extension cord.
You have the.
I don't have anything, you know. I threw it away right when okay.
I'm gonna go get the cord.
All right, perfect. Thank you.
Your signature right there.
Thank you so much. Time to get the other one. So this one has 2. That's good. Yeah, this is perfect. I think we're good. We're running out of time here. I have faith. I believe, and I have faith. This is the one. So let's. This is it. We are back in business. We made sure this works. We are not joking around here. We are getting this video done today.
It fits.
It does. Oh! Yes! That's how we do it over here, Cuddy. So for real though, I'm gonna be so pissed if these balloons pop.
They better not. I don't think they'll pop.
We just have to be really careful. Like, really careful. Wait. I want to see if it works with you. Yo, lip got so big! Did you get that? Did you get that with the overtime?
Oh. Okay. You spit got on my face.
Oh my
man.
gosh. Wait, hold on. For them. Oh, we get slow-mo that.
Alright, this. I'm gonna help you out. So in sex ed class,
Don't
you
say
take
it.
the-
This is a PG video!
it's sex ed.
No!
They teach that in school.
No, they do not! give it.
It's falling.
Give it that. You gotta let it stretch out, you know.
It's a 6 foot thing. It's supposed to stretch
I know,
out.
but like if you don't
Step your foot
right.
in. Step your foot in. See if you can step your foot in. Ready?
Oh, it's tight. It was too. I'm Weatherman. Okay, put in. Oh my god. Ah!
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's
Go,
fine.
okay, go.
It's fine.
Alright, I'm gonna attempt to put my other leg.
You know when, like, in the movie The Incredibles, where he gets caught in the things and all the bubble starts to, you know what I'm talking about?
Okay, just pop them or cry.
People do that on YouTube. I think people do that on
Are you in?
Yes, I
You
am.
in?
Oh, it's so tight. Oh, it's really tight. Okay, get in here. It's really tight. Oh,
Is
it
it?
hurts. Oh, it hurts. Yeah.
Wow, that was harder than I thought. Okay.
Yeah, put my.
These shorts are like the worst thing for you, bro. Okay. Okay.
Hey, I want to be famous.
Okay.
Put it on
Okay. I got you.
Not on my.
No,
ass,
we're
not
gonna put
there.
it in. It's the easiest way to put it.
What?
Put
Alright, I'm gonna take my shirt off. Here you go. Like, it's actually like squeezing like really bad in here. I know, I need you to get me over here again. Wait. I mean, I need you to get the thingy.
I am. I'm just trying to put this down so it doesn't pull over your skin.
Ow! Wait, ah!
It's like a dress. Okay.
Yo, you know what this looks like? This looks like the fashion show. Did you guys see the fashion show where they had like a big ass balloon and just like
Yeah, I know exactly.
this is how they ended up.
I know exactly what you're talking
Hey, how are you?
about. Okay, alright, let's put it in. Giant blueberry. Okay, the shirt's not gonna work. You
Alright, I need to take my shirt off,
Okay.
guys.
Alright. Oh, it looks like it. Oh, it looks like it kills.
That way.
Okay, now we gotta get your arms in. Right. Bend down.
Okay, I need
That's
Oh my God.
That's the thumbnail right there. Look at that.
wait, I'm gonna slip and fall.
I got you.
I'm gonna slip and fall.
Okay,
It
I got your
looks
back.
like a giant
Whoa!
It paid off, finally. Oh my god. Oh my. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey guys, I am a balloon. Make sure you tune in to my next video. Well, I'm a balloon. Oh yeah.
Are you
My
trying?
neck. Yeah, no, it's hurting.
Okay, I got you. Okay, my question is, how am I gonna get it?
I'm gonna give you bubble support.
Look at his feet. Look at his little feet.
Do you see my? You actually see my feet?
Yes, you see your toe.
How do you use
Oh my god, I'm gonna fall.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna watch over here and just watch you. Hey, with me? This is the best investment I've made.
Ow! My leg hair.
Whoa, language. So guys, if the angle's really bad, just notice my grandma and it's her fault. Make sure you like this video if you're already watching this far. Alright. Woo!
man, that's tight.
Oh, these look like my balloon nips.
Okay, I got my shorts.
Huh?
Good.
You look like
I know. Once I get, it's
you
the
look
pants
like you're
that,
putting your
it's the
head
skin.
I know,
It's just the skin. Are you sure?
in.
Oh god. Okay.
Yeah!
Okay.
Yeah!
Oh, this is gonna be tough.
There we go.
I'm in.
Come here, Mike.
It's not gonna work.
Take it off.
It's not gonna work.
Yeah. Take your necklace off. Don't let it
Yes. Yeah. It's not sharp either, but whatever.
Still. Oh, I am sweating. This is like a sauna. Come on, you got it. Wait, you gotta close the space. There's like open.
Okay.
You gotta close the space though. You can't cross your arms.
I know.
You're crossing your arms and making it harder.
I
There's
know.
like a big gap.
1 hour later.
Okay, now blow the air. There you go.
Ow!
Okay, now from here you should be able to put your arms in really fast.
Dude,
you have
no.
to be fast.
This is exactly where we were last
You
time.
have to fast. No, but you need air in it.
You look like a pear.
I know.
Blow him up some.
Air.
Blow him up some.
Uh-huh. There.
Then you look
Oh, it feels so good. Oh, wow. More. Oh, that felt so good. Whoa, my head. I can stand up straight.
Sorry, I don't do it on purpose. Sorry.
Whoa, look, my body did. Yeah. Oh my God.
We got our hands on this.
Hey, give me a hug.
Okay. Okay, I lost air. Okay.
My neck is choking me. Mine's moving without. Just do one. Look, right?
How you doing?
You're just doing it, just not shake the same way.
Hey, oh, wait.
Okay.
Really quick, bob your head. Oh my gosh. I lost my beanie. I can't. All my confidence is gone.
Okay.
Michelle, please give me my beanie. Did you just zoom in?
I'm back.
Dude, that was like.
That
we
took
went through a
way
mission.
too long.
It's
Yeah,
6:20.
like a
6:20? Okay, we get 10 minutes to play.
Okay, so.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna make a dance choreography, baseboard. Alright, so dance choreography, we're gonna bounce right, left, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna go elbow, push with your hands.
Wait,
Do you
can you
see my
see-
hands?
Barely. I see your fingers. That's it.
Okay, so we're gonna do bounce, bounce,
Okay,
bounce,
let me-
bounce.
Is mine bigger than his? Should I like let some air out?
No, it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. We're gonna bounce. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, head, forward, back.
Okay.
5,
So-
6, 7, 8. Bounce, 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 bounce. Right, left, back. Wow, it was synchronized. Might be. Oh, you can't see it, but inside the whole coating is all wet with my sweat.
Ew. Can you? Okay, no.
My last up. You want to fight?
Don't do that.
You
'cause
want to fight?
You have to jump.
Last up. Oh, okay.
If I push you, Mike,
Push me.
no, because you're gonna fall.
Oh my goodness.
What was that? Why did you pop it?
Derek, what did you do?
What the?
It was. Dude, my heart dropped. What did you do?
I gotta pop it.
I saw you do so much more.
That's the end of the video, guys.
Wow, guys, listen.
Oh my
Let me
God.
put on the shirt.
Please, yeah, we're gonna put on clothes and we'll be back.
No, but it's like.
It scares the crap out of you.
Dude, I
Your
wasn't
face is
freaking
weird.
ready for that. I don't know why you did that to me. My heart
My
dropped.
necklace, you got my.
He was a hater, bro. He popped. His popped, and he just decided to pop.
You can't. No, bro, because we do this together. We ride together, we die together. We pop balloons together. That's what we do. We don't just come out here one minute.
Man, that was great. How'd you feel?
Bro, honestly,
First time in the balloon.
honestly, it was like the best thing. It was a struggle to get in. Like, I don't know. I was stuck.
That was it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this journey that we went on along together. Like, we had to go to Home Depot twice. We had to like put my body in and then put his body in. Like, it was like a crazy ride.
I had to put that in by myself. It sucked.
Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed that, we went through a lot. We went through a lot. And I just want to say, like, thank you guys for watching and, like, you know, supporting. We are at what are we at? 13K strong.
13K
We're 13K strong. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Micah. We out. Boom.